SU command in Linux. What is SU? SU means switch user or substitute user. Let's say I am using Duke user to log into my server always. And whenever required to use any other user's privilege, at that time I wanted to use the SU command to change my current login from Duke to any other user. But please remember, we always use the SU command to change from my current user to the root user's privilege. And I request you to please be sure whenever you are using the root user's privilege, please be sure whenever you are performing any task, because root user is the administrative user in the Linux, and root having the unlimited capacity to damage the server or destroy the server. So friends, before starting this video, let me tell you, I am going to start a RSCSA batch. It's a full course and course fee is very minimal, that is 499 rupees only. If you are registering for this course, you will get 20 classes and each class having 1 hour and 30 minutes. Also, you will get all class recording as well as the PDF materials. Registration link given in the description. If you want, please register yourself. So now let me show you how SU commands works in Linux. This is my server. If you want, use the pw command. You can see I am in /home/raj. That means I am in Raj users prompt. If you use id command also, you can see id is Raj. That means I am in Raj users prompt. Here you can also see this is the Raj users prompt. Now I wanted to use the SU command to change the root users privilege. So how we can do that? Let me use only SU command. Now it is asking me for the password. Here you need to give the root users password. You can see here my prompt changed from Raj user to root user. Now use the pwd command. Here you can notice still we are in Raj user's home directory. That means now we only get the root user's privilege, but our login cell was Raj user's cell. So now give exit to come out from this prompt. Use the su minus command. Give the password, root user's password. Now you can see now we change from our cell to root user. If you use the pwd command, you can see our home directory also changed. So whenever you will use only SU command, at that time you will get only root users privilege, but whenever you will use SU minus, at that time root users home directory also changed. That means completely login shell also changed. Now give exit, clear the screen, use SU Raj. Raj, we are already in Raj. Use any other user Duke. You have to give the Duke user's password. You can see now we are in Duke user. Use pwd. You can see still we are in Raj users login prompt. But we can perform any task with the Duke user, because using the SU command we have granted the Duke user's permission. Exit, use SU minus Duke, give the Duke user's password. You can see now we get the Duke user's permission as well as the Duke user's login prompt also changed. Use pwd. You can see home directory also changed from Raj to Duke. So this is the way we can use the SU command to change the root user's login or any other user's login. Now let me show you. If we use SU, exit from this cell, use SU minus root, give the root user's password here, give pwd. You can see completely changed from my login cell from the Raj user to root user. This is the way we can use the SU command to get any other user's permission or root user's permission to perform any task in the server. Let's have a quick review. SU command, short for switch user or substitute user, allows you to temporarily switch to another user's account within your current shell session upon you to gain root privileges for administrative tasks. Whenever you are using the SU command without any argument, switches to the root user. SU with username switches to the specified user. SU hyphen or SU hyphen username starts a login shell as specified user, setting up the environment as if the user had logged in the directly. So friends, this is all about the SU command in Linux. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching.